I ain't been the same in so long. I've been watching time go by. Never know the day your dog going home. I just sit and put my head in the sky.
What's good, guys? We have another piece of carbon fiber that we're going to be installing today. It goes up here, so as you can see, this is what it looks like without the carbon fiber. Look at the light in here so that you can see it's kind of dark. Okay, so this is what it looks like without the carbon fiber, and we will go back to when we do. So very simple, just stick and go piece, 3M tape on the back. We'll pull out the tape, put it on there. So let's go.
That it is easy for you to blame everything.
Right now I need my little shit. We ain't fucking a minute. Fuck. While I'm in it, tell me that you miss it. After we fuck, she get up and say, Eli, don't.
Yeah, so pulled up off the tape. Supposed to heat it a little bit just so that it'll stick better. So. Let's do it with a hairdryer. Don't do it with this. Yeah. So
I'ma let a bitch go before I let a hoe play with my pimpin'. We supposed to be keeping shit P. We fucked around and caught feelings. She'll play with herself and she give out a chance to these niggas. She'll play with herself and she give out a.
supposed to hold it for like a minute.
Chance to these hoes. She like, Eli, I know you got bitches, but boy, don't mistake me for none of your bitches. I'm with a bad bitch, 50 a flow, but she eating more than her botch. She like, I get it, you stay on the road, but right now I just need you beside me. For the right nigga, she piping. She want me to come beat it like Rocky. She know that her pussy on water, I stand in it.
Alright, so that's a minute holding it. So this is what it looks like with the carbon fiber on it. Let me get the light so that you all can see. So that's the carbon fiber. All the buttons work. Everything works. The fitment is spot on. Looks good. So carbon fiber wise, we have the vents that were done carbon fiber. I did put the little piece right here, but I ended up getting a check engine light, and they said it was because the carbon fiber piece was catching on the button, so I took it off. I don't really believe that, but they cleared it. We're gonna see if it comes back on or not. So I did remove the carbon fiber from here. I do plan on getting carbon fiber for this as well, and maybe the glove department. I'm thinking about doing the glove department as well. So that part, the waterfall is back there. We're gonna get the carbon fiber for that. The doors, we're gonna do the speakers, the door locks, and this portion too. We're gonna do all that as well. Damn, there's a lot of dirt right there for whatever reason. I don't know why. It's dirty as hell. Car needs to be cleaned. But yeah, so looks good, easy install. It just hopefully it stays. So stay tuned. what's good? We are about to wash the car. So let you guys know what the process is, how it goes. Wash this bitch. Every time, bro. Every time. Bro, I swear, every time I'm out here, bro, this nigga open his garage and come outside. This shit kind of weird. But you already know, nigga. We stay glitched up. I already know, shawty. We ready. But yeah, nah, I'm about to show y'all the process and shit. So start the fucking cleaning, bro. Ladies be cleaning, and everybody coming home now. That's that nigga. What's that? Come, bitch. It's not even really that dirty because I cleaned it yesterday, but I only cleaned it like I rinsed it off. So now I'm actually about to put the shampoo on it and shit like that and get it. I got a scratch on my car. Fucking valet nigga, bro. He opened up a door and scratched the fucking car. So gotta go and get that buffed. Not happy about that, but I don't know. Just be grateful he ain't dent my shit, I guess. But yeah. There's the hose. Show y'all the shit that I'm about to use. The package out here. This is for my job. What the fuck in here? I do this shit in real life. Skit, nigga. Light, turn on. Ha ha ha. About that later. Yup, this is about to show y'all the product that we be using. Got a whole bunch of shit in here, but this is the soap that I'll be using. God damn, it's darker than a motherfucker in here. What the fuck? So yeah. CP Subs Lab Chromatic Protective Wash. I do have a ceramic coating on my car, so this is what we use to wash it off. So I bought like this thing. It's a foam machine shit. So I put the shit in there, attach it to this, and it get me right. Definitely need to go get my battery. But yeah, I'm about to connect it and start spraying. So let's get to it. Oh shit.
Shit like a Viking. We going round after round to the neighbors, it sound like we fighting. But ain't nothing domestic about this type of violence. I lay on my back when I want her to ride it. She whispered to me like, boy, leave it inside. She whispered to me like, boy, leave it inside. I got a scratch in my back while I hear from the side. She tell me to go deep, she the type to connect with her eyes. I go to grip on her neck while she roll on my chest. She locking me in with her thighs. She went to creaming all over the seats when she squirted, caught me by surprise. Right now.